The solar wind is a flow of particles that propagates continuously from our star into the interplanetary medium, and it is a plasma. This means that the particles are not as atoms, but they are ions and electrons, basically hydrogen. And this occurs because the solar corona is very hot. So the matter is not anymore in the shape of atoms, but as ions and electrons. And it's a supersonic flow that permeates the whole solar system. The solar wind also brings together with it a magnetic field, which is of solar origin. And when this flow arrives to Earth, it meets the magnetic field of our planet and forms a magnetosphere. So this magnetosphere acts as a magnetic shield that protects our planet for the direct arrival of the charged particles of the solar wind and also of other energetic particles that are in the interplanetary medium. If the magnetic field didn't exist, then the particles would be able to arrive to the atmosphere and erode it a bit. This has happened in Mars, so that is why Mars has a very thin atmosphere. And then life as we know it in Earth would not be possible. The solar cycle is a cycle that our star, the Sun, follows, and it measures the activity of our Sun. Basically what happens is that the corona has a magnetic field that is evolving all the time, and this evolution makes different regions in the corona that can lead to explosions into the interplanetary medium, like the coronal mass ejections. The cycle lasts 11 years, and within these 11 years the Sun goes from being in a minimum of activity into a maximum. When there is the minimum, the photosphere is without any spots, solar spots, or well, with few. And then when the solar maximum appears, the Sun has a very complex configuration in terms of magnetic field. There are different phenomena related with the solar activity. One are the flares, the other are the coronal mass ejections. And these coronal mass ejections are very important because they can move into the interplanetary medium, and sometimes they can affect our geomagnetic environment. This is the magnetic field of Earth.